Returning for its fourth edition, Art Here promises a $60,000 prize this year. Organized by Swiss watchmakers Richard Mille and the renowned Louvre Abu Dhabi, over 200 artists applied with only 5 being selected. The highly anticipated event empowers regional artists and gives them a platform to display their work.
The theme Awakening is quite personal to me because I've gone through my own spiritual personal journey, and this body of work represents that. It's an awakening, it's a journey of the self, getting to that point where you find yourself, you understand who you are, you celebrate yourself, you honor your existence, your values, your beliefs. So the theme of Awakening is very complementary to the work in a sense that it speaks volumes about transience and finding your way. So for me, it is a rebirth, it's a renaissance, and so the artwork I created as well represents that.
What I'm trying to do as an artist is like bringing a big loop of magnified loop and put it on things that people can pass by without seeing and tell them, look, this is you, this is your heritage. Maybe this is gonna awaken something in them and make them understand something about themselves, about their history, their heritage.